So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create the profile page. So in here, in the code the web, we're going to say profile.php. Next, we're going to go ahead and get rid of the sessions and everything, because you don't need that. Actually, we're just going to keep those but for the profile, we need to get rid of the home and everything inside of it, and we need to go and do PHP tags. Now, in the top, we're going to make it $ID, $PID equals $_get of ID. And then we need to say if there is no ID, so $ID. So we're going to say $ID equals 1 else. And that there's no else statement about that. PID. Actually, we're not going to do that. We're going to set. Now, what we're going to do in here is we're going to say if there is a $ID, we're going to do whatever's in here, else we're going to echo no user was found. You have not. You must. What should I put? Could not find your requested user. And then we're going to say if there is a $ID, we're going to say $query equals MySQL underscore query. And in here we're going to say select all from users where ID equals $PID. I'm going to say $rows equals MySQL underscore num underscore rows of $query. I'm going to say if $num rows equals 1. We're going to do is over in here. Else we're going to echo the user ID of $PID could not be found. And we're going to make that bold. We need to end that actually. So if it does that, we're going to say $, or we're going to make a while loop actually. Row $row equals MySQL underscore fetch underscore array of $query. I'm going to say $username equals MySQL underscore query. Actually, I forgot. We need to, hold on. We need to go ahead and require our connection file. So require scripts/connect.php. And we need to go ahead and cover these with double quotation marks. And then, there you go. Next in here, I'm going to say $bio equals $row of bio $. Actually, go look what there is in there. Browse X structure. last name, bio, website, YouTube, and rank. I'll go ahead and say rank. $, website, $, bio. There is also sign up date. Oops, I need to be. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and just control the website, control the YouTube, and YouTube, and then control D of sign underscore up, and sign underscore up underscore date. And also, we're going to go ahead and go to the login page, and we need to say $date equals the same as register.php. And then we need to say MySQL underscore query, and in here we need to say update users set last what was it, underscore login underscore date equal to $date, where I guess actually we could make that control X or here, and we just say where ID equals $db ID, so where that equals that. So sign underscore up, and then last underscore we're gonna say last L underscore date L underscore date equal to last underscore login underscore date. And next we need to say $, we need to actually say $query 2 equal to MySQL underscore query, and in here we need to say select all from users where username equals $username, and add rank equal to A, which means they're admin. So I'm going to say $rows 2 equal to MySQL underscore query. No, MySQL underscore rows of $query 2, and in number, I'm going to say if $num rows 2 equals 1, which means that's true. We're going to say $rank equal to admin else or $rank is equal to normal, and then we need to say $rank, and then now we're gonna go ahead and echo all this. We're gonna echo, and we're gonna say a table /table tr /tr and a td /td, and we're gonna control D that I'm going to say username of that. I'm going to say $, username, and we need to do that. And next we need to say if $bio, which means they have a bio. We're going to echo tr/tr dd/dd $bio and $bio, and then we need to say if $website, we're going to echo tr/dd/dd control D website $website. Then we need to say, oops, easy, we can do that. Then we need to say if $YouTube, we're going to echo tr/tr td/dd and YouTube channel and $YouTube. And actually we're going to say ahref equals http equals www.youtube.com/user/the YouTube username, and then we're going to end that and say $YouTube/a. So next we need to say if $, actually no, next we need to say echo tr/tr and td/td, and we're going to copy that and paste that, and in here we need to say date registered, and I'm going to say $, signed _up, and then in here I'm going to say last time logged in, and $L _date. And then we need to go ahead and say, after the while loop, we need to say /echo/table. And now if we go ahead and put that up on the interwebs, go to the web, and mine is browse 1. So we need CodeTheWeb/profile.php. Says could not find request user, which is do ID equal to 2. 2 cannot be found, but if we do 1, it says all of this. And if I were to put in a bio or a website or a YouTube, which I'll go ahead and actually do, so bio, hi, I am the site